Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add parental control on YouTube TV. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to set up a supervised Google account. So if your child doesn't have a Google account, create a supervised Google account for them. This allows you to manage and customize their YouTube experience. The following step is to enable restricted mode on YouTube. So restricted mode is a feature available on YouTube that helps filter out potentially mature or inappropriate content. Enable restricted mode on the YouTube app or website using your child's supervised Google account. This will apply the restrictions to YouTube TV as well. The next step is to create playlists or use YouTube Kids to further control the content your child can access on YouTube TV. Create playlists of approved videos on their supervised Google account. Alternatively, you can use the YouTube Kids app, which provides a more curated and child-friendly experience. The fourth step is to manage watch history and search settings. So access the YouTube account settings for your child supervised account and manage their watch history and search settings. You can disable or clear watch history and pause search history to limit personalized recommendations or prevent access to potentially unsuitable content. The last step is to regularly monitor and adjust settings. So keep an eye on your child's YouTube TV usage and periodically review their settings. Adjust the restricted mode, playlists, or YouTube Kids settings as needed to ensure they continue to have a safe and appropriate viewing experience. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.